Hey, welcome back everyone. Sorry about my absence. I hit a busy spell and I haven't had a chance to make posts regularly. I think my last post was around the 1st of July, and since then I kind of took on a few more photo shoots that I could edit, and I did a wedding on top of that. I haven't got around to editing that either. And of course, the Hardin County Fair came up, so I went to that for a few nights. I was actually going to go out there more, but it was just way too hot. And that was another issue. The heat, it's just been too hot for me to be able to be getting out and doing anything. Some of you all know that I work outside in the heat, so when I get off work in the evenings, I don't really care to do anything else when you've worked in a building that's 100 degrees all day. So anyway, I'm back and got a few more projects I'm working on. So let's go ahead and get started on the first one for the day. Okay, so I bought a couple of seat covers. They are sideless seat covers. I picked them up at Walmart this afternoon. I thought it would maybe look cool in the Fusion. I don't know. So I thought I would give them a try and see if they actually fit like they show on the photo. Oh well, we'll find out. Instructions. Who am I fooling? No one reads instructions. But seriously though. Instruction. Cover seat with a bottom cover. Push lower back flap through middle. Flat. Guess what? Who reads instructions? Okay, so we are going to try this. Ultimate Fit. I think we'll be the judge of that. I'm going to take it that it's the headrest cover. I can tell it has the emblem on it. That is the seat back cover. Okay, so we'll stretch this over. This has power seats, so this is probably going to really mess with the controls, probably. We'll find out. And of course, stuff that flap through the back. Yeah. Okay, well, it'll pull tight. Hey, it does actually fit better than some that I've seen. And so this piece lays right over. Oh wow. Yeah, that stuff's down in here too. I'm probably gonna have to pull the seat loose so I can flip it forward, because the way the back curls under, I can't quite reach it. So yeah, it took me a minute to find the S hooks also. So it does almost fit like it's supposed to anyway, which is good. Okay, so I had to recline the seat to get the headrest out. So I'll go ahead and roll it forward. All right. Okay, I wound up taking the whole seat out because there was just no way that I could get to it to work on it. This was just horrible. Oh yeah. straps here. Now, let's see. This brings back memories of my days of wrestling seat covers on at the dealership, or upholstery, did I say, the factory upholstery. That stuff was an absolute nightmare. Okay, so now I've got this stuff put together. Alright, now this stretches over. And that pulls back. Not quite like the picture shows, is it? Okay, so we're just going to lay this back for now. And we're going to attempt to tie these together. Alright. It comes with little S-hooks. That's what you want to call them. They're not made of much. Let's see, one clips there. I think I know what to do. Oh, humidity is something awful today. Okay, so there's one. And it stretches down. And we hook it, I think. There, we finally got it. All right. And this one here on the side, I'm going to poke it through the bracket, and I'm going to poke this one through the bracket. Yeah, level of difficulty on these, I'm going to give them about an 8. Yeah, you'll need to pull the seat out to put these seat covers on, unfortunately. Okay, there should be a couple over here that gets fed through. Looks like a couple of these S-hooks, the ones in the back, it looks like they tie on to these straps that's already, to the elastic strap that's already, that I've just stretched. They're kind of a bear to put on. Okay, I can feed it through under the airbag harness here. I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and stretch it across. Now I have to hook the other one. Okay. Okay. Oops. I know that's the magic word. Okay, so that part is on. I'm pretty sure where it shows in the diagram that it fastens here, but I'm going to stretch them across and fasten them that way. All right. I wonder how long they'll hold. On second thought, I'm wrong. They don't. The little hooks themselves. Okay, no, I was right. Okay, so I got most of it in. One thing I got to do is connect the back. So I've run the attaching cords to the sides, across to each one. Then of course there's two flaps, one for the back and one for the seat part. And I've got those pulled through, so those should hold. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and set the seat back in the car so I can fasten the back part. Okay, now I'm going to make an attempt of some sort to put the headrest on. Oh, great. Yeah. I'll have to lean the seat back some, evidently. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. Okay, well here's one. The look, I am not impressed. It just, I don't know. It should fit better, I think, but this is way too loose. So I don't think that I am going to go on with them. Okay, so without any more further ado, I think I'm just going to go ahead and take them back. I wasn't really as satisfied with how I thought they would look. Well, perfect world situation, I guess, but no. Well, it was worth a try anyway. Okay, thanks for watching.